Hello everybody and welcome back to How To Technology. Today I'm going to be showing you how to upload something on Turnitin.com. So first you're going to go onto your main browser, type it in the search bar. Whoop, that's wrong. But it's right here. Turnitin, go here, then log in. And then since I've already done this once, I'm going to use my friend's login. Whoop. Sorry. And his password, and he is here right now typing it, so.
Hello.
Yeah. And then, yeah. So here we are. No, I don't want to say the password. So here we are. And you're going to want to, I have two teachers here right now, but you're going to want to go to the teacher that assigned it. Like I have an English teacher here and a history teacher here. So, yeah, let's go to English since she has the sample assignment. So click on their name and then scroll down. As you can see the names here, that's just the assignment that it is. And this is a sample assignment. This is just for this video. And so what you're going to want to do, I made a document before this video, so I'll hit submit. And then your first name and last name will pop up here if you're signed in, which you have to be. And then you can create a submission title. It could, I'll just make it, I don't know, random example for video. Sure. Whatever, but you can call it depending on what your document is, or yeah. And then I'm gonna choose from this computer since I made it on Word, and here it is right here. And it has to be at least 20 words. The document that you're submitting to Turnitin. So I just type a bunch of random stuff, and then I titled it what was on the document. So this is what's on the document, but you can see that later. So you hit upload on the document you want, even if you named it like something else, like Titanic Argumentative Essay, which we have done. I titled it that, but right here you can see what the document is. You can zoom in all the way and read it. So this is what I typed just for 20 words. Just typed a bunch of random stuff, and yeah. And if it has more than one page, you can click up here to change through pages, and you can edit it on here if you want. Not edit it, but like read through it, making sure it's the right one. And then here's the file size, page count, word count, character count, all this stuff up to the left. Yeah. And then after you know that it's the right one, you hit confirm, and congrats, you have submitted your document. So after that you hit return to assignment list, and as you can see it is now like kind of faded in the background. And once you submit something to a Turnitin, once you submit something to Turnitin, you can't do it ever again. Like, since I've submitted this now, I can't submit anything else. Yeah. Oh, the due date for this assignment has passed. Resubmissions are not allowed after the due date. So the due date has passed. Like, if you well, yeah, if you turn it in before the due date, you can resubmit, but if you turn it in after the due date, like after the due date is over, you can't resubmit anything. But, yeah, that's Turnitin. And teachers, you can go on to Turnitin, and I'm not sure exactly how teachers do this, because, of course, I'm not a teacher, but I'm guessing you can set up these assignments, set up a start, a due date, and a post date. So when you posted it, when it started, and like when it's due. So yeah, posted is the date and time you can begin viewing feedback for your paper. Oh, okay. So I didn't know what that was. You can just hover over it and it tells you what it is. This name of the assignment, as I already said. And yeah, that's it. So that was Turnitin. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more, and hit the like button down below if you enjoyed. Leave any suggestions in the comments, or critiques, or advice, whatever, or a suggestion for the next video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and peace.